Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing this like Bali, like bubble style. I don't know, it feels like I'm 10 again. Not even 10, I lie. It feels like I'm like 7, 6. I don't know how old, I don't know about nothing about kids. How old are you when you wear this hairstyle? Like young? Between the ages of 0 to motherfucking down. Let's say 6. 0 to 6. I feel like I'm at least 4 years old, but grown because I got my titties out. Stay tuned to see how I got this look. This hair is from WowAfrican. And yeah, stay tuned to see how I got this look.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
Hi! As you can see, I'm in a good mood. I'm ready to film. And that's just that. Let's get into it. I'm very excited about this hair. You see, the intro just played. I'm assuming. It's always weird saying that because clearly I'm not ready right now. And I'm just assuming that things just went right. But I'm really sure that they will because I'm very excited about today's hair. I got new lights. I got a microphone. So hopefully that everything is just looking so pristine and my sound is just so great even though this fan is on. But I got a comment saying that the fan ain't that bad, and that makes me feel good because I be feeling like the fan is just the loudest fucking thing ever, but I guess it's not. I got this ball cut in my mouth because I need something to distract me from the fact that my stomach hurt. My lips is real messed up, but it's okay because I'm finna fix my makeup when I'm finished up. Anyway, so we can just get started installing this wig. Enough chit chat. I be watching BALLIES Shugs because I'm a fucking weirdo, and he be like, enough talk.
I'm stalling right now. Enough talk.
This hair is from WowAfrican. I did go ahead and pluck and bleach this frontal. And it looks so good. Like, I really put my whole foot in this. It looks so good. And this is the Italian Yaki texture. And it's in 22 inches, I believe. I had different plans for this wig, but as soon as I saw this inspiration picture right here, I knew that I had to do it. And I knew that this was the perfect way to do it with. I'm so excited. Edward Scissorhands on IG. Give him a follow if you like drag hair and stuff. I think drag hair is so cool. I saw this picture on my explore page. I'm like, this ain't no regular wig. Like, this gotta be like a wig. This gotta be a drag wig. So I'm like, okay, so I went to go find the person who did it, the wig stylist. And once I found the IG, I saw that they did Jada Essence Hall's hair. They do Mine's Come Into a Blank. Shea Coulee's hair. They do a lot of famous drag queens hair. So definitely inspired by him. Please give him a follow if you're into that kind of thing. I'm finna try to make him proud and do my own version of this. Now listen, this ain't no full lace wig. The back of my head can look ridiculous, but the front of it gonna look real nice, and that's what matters. So I'm very excited. Let's just stop. You want to say enough talk?
Enough talk.
So I'm gonna show you guys the construction really quick and why I think the front is gonna look really good. I'm gonna part all the way to the back, like if I can. So hopefully the sides of at least the front look really good. But this frontal, yeah, I really put my whole foot in this shit. Yeah, my lashes is kind of interfering, and I don't feel like I really want them on right now anyway. So I'm gonna take my lashes off. I know that's kind of weird, but that's how I'm feeling right now. I like a more natural look because I don't like the overplucked look anymore. I feel like whose hairline really just looks that thin. Maybe you know people from Atlanta Caucasus, but you know, black people, we got thick old hairlines. I'm trying to find the high medium between overplucking and underplucking, so we're still working on that. But now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm assuming this is just where it's gonna be. So anyway, what am I doing? My mind just be going blank. Y'all's mind just be like nothing going on in your head. That's what happened in mine. I'm gonna cut this into 3 sections, and then I'm gonna put back the top section. Well, I guess all of it will go back, but I'm gonna work on the top section first. If my acting teacher would have seen this in my mouth this whole time, she would have been in the video. You know what? I just realized that I really shouldn't have had that in my mouth this whole time. It was really disrupting my speech, and my stomach does feel a little better, unless like it's just me working now, so I can't focus on my stomach hurting. But my stomach's fine. I'm gonna get that out of my mouth. If you've been in theater class and such, like, you can't have no gum when you on stage. Okay, anyway, okay, I think I'm gonna leave the elastic band on while I'm installing, and then once the wig is on, I'm gonna take it off because it is kind of tight, and that's why I don't like those bands, because my head, I guess, is just so fucking big that it really doesn't, I don't know, but I personally don't like it. So I'm using the Amslayer bag glue, like I said, and I'm just gonna add a thin layer. I know people put on layers of this, but I don't plan on having this wig on for a very long time. So I'm just going to do a thin one. And I have 2 layers already on the wig cap. And I'll just go back and forth and try to get it to dry down a little bit manually. I see that it's starting to dry up a little bit, so it's time to pull it down. And then I don't got no comb. I'll be back. I love not having no comb. Where's my comb? Like, for real, where's my comb? I guess I don't got no comb and I don't want this to dry down. So I'm about to use my hand. Really wish I had a comb. Fucked up one. I'm gonna use this fucked up comb because this is the comb I got. I'm having a good time. Am I? Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and start doing. It's like all my shit is just getting up and running away from me. Like, what? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start gluing on the rest of this wig. I'm not gonna talk too much. I guess the style portion of the hair will be the big part. Okay. Install time. Okay, so I got this hair on, and I just want to say, I really wish my hair was like this. I feel like this is just such a realistic hair. like the silky hair is cool, but like this is different. This is Italian Yaki, if I didn't mention before, and this is the natural texture. I did kind of hot comb the front part of it, and it's not necessarily straight, but it's more straight than like the wave type thing in the back, and this is its natural texture. Like, I washed it after I bleached the knots. This is what it looked like. I'm so excited for this style. I really am. Yeah, it's time to go ahead and start razoring off this lace. I'm gonna use my eyebrow razor. I got a fresh one, and I'm just gonna start razoring off. It's nothing too crazy, just, you know, razoring off where ain't no glue. Okay, I see that needs more glue. So as I do this, I'm gonna go ahead and touch up spaces. Like, all this was pretty laid, so it didn't need any like touch-ups, but over here it seems like it didn't get like the memo. I'm gonna use the end of a rat tail comb and some glue, and then just go underneath and just smooth it out wherever necessary. I'm gonna let this sit, and then once it's time to put the elastic band on, I'll cut off all the excess that did end up staying. I'm not mad at the plucking job. I always just feel like I want to do a little bit more, like, all the time. I need a new elastic band. Company's been slipping on sending me elastic bands. I don't know what's going on, y'all, but I miss them. Hello. I'll put on this elastic band once my hair get out my way. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix my lips off camera, put on my lashes, and when I come back, my hair should be sectioned off in a way that I can explain. So there's no point in me doing it on camera because y'all know how to part some hair. I feel like I trust y'all. Okay, so I'm back with lashes and half a lip and 2 ponytails just to see what happened. So I have these 2 ponytails in the back of my head, and like I said, this ain't no full lace wig, so the back of my head finna look ridiculous, but I'm serving a look, so fuck the back of my head. So I have 2 ponytails in, and I just use rubber bands, and I didn't think that it would be like vital of me to include the footage of this, but then I thought maybe somebody would like it. So here I am. Just gonna put these. Girl, well, can I get this ponytail out? Shit. I split my hair into 3 sections. I have a part from the frontal, so all of the frontal is out. And the frontal should look really good. And then I sectioned off this section, which will have 3 ponytails, and the bottom one has 2. I'm gonna have diagonal parts in the frontal, but these don't matter. Like, they don't matter. It's just 3 even equal parts. I wish there was a more effective way to put on rubber bands. I feel like I'm deep throwing my rubber bands for no reason. Like, why I gotta almost swallow my rubber bands for me to be able to grab them? And I'm gonna go ahead and let the elastic band out so I can do my baby hair before I do these ponytails. Ooh. I was on live earlier and I just kept burping. I don't know what the fuck I ate that's making me burp like this, but I just kept burping on live and I felt disgusting. No, I didn't. I'm lying. Okay, my hair looks good, period. I'm not gonna pluck it. I thought I was gonna pluck it some more, but there's like literally no need for me to do that. I do want a little bit of the middle baby hair going on, but nothing too crazy. Somewhere little. I'm gonna do my baby hairs as normal. I got my wet line here, and I always use wet line all the time for my edges. Like, it's the only that and some edge control. I'm either using the Sweetie Kiss X Fist. This bitch can't talk, y'all. She still can't talk, y'all. The Edge Fixer. I'm using this one, and I like the scent Berry Cherry because it's very cherry. Like, I had to buy a big one. Little baby hairs together. Actually, I'm not using my wet line. I'm gonna actually use this edge control because I feel like my baby hairs need to stay in place. So I lied like shit. I just did all that talking for no reason. Yeah, I'm gonna use the Sweetie Kiss Edge Fixer. Now it's time for the parts, and I wanted them to be diagonal. That's how I imagined them in my head. So like, this will be the first one. We'll see. I'm gonna use some of this edge control. This was not some, this was kind of a lot. A decent amount of edge control, and just get this, you know, flat, and use my brush and just brush up. I think this needs to be a little more like brushed into it, so that's what I'm gonna do. And now it looks like it's in position. Let me get this other little piece out the way so this don't interfere. Two rubber bands. Oh no. That other point on D part is so bad. Like, move. This is a lot of fucking work. I'll tell you that much. My legs kind of lifting right there, so I'm gonna just play it safe and put my elastic band back on because I don't have time. Moose and me do not get along. I don't know what it is about my installs, but Moose just and me do not click. I am finna do the back of my head off camera because I just know it's really unnecessary if I do y'all like that and I just have my whole entire, y'all don't want to watch me put balls in my whole entire head. Y'all can just see me do it on the front. So I'm gonna go. I both feel and look like somebody's little kid. I really love it. I think I'm running out of BALLIES. I have 1.5 packs left, but I was gonna be like, I'm gonna go to the store, but I'm not going to the store. I'm just gonna I either take some from the back, and I have some other color BALLIES. Like, I got some clear ones that I think I might be able to mix in with these. I think that would be nice. I think I'm gonna mix the clear ones in with the base ones. And yeah, I got a whole bunch of BALLIES. It's gonna be fine regardless, period. So I have the back done. Let me move these up so you can see the back. I'm not gonna show you back of my head though. You got me fucked up. You think I'm gonna show y'all the back of my head looking crazy like that. But the front looks good, and that's all that matters. I feel like a little kid. Like I wish, like when I was a little kid, like I wished my hair was this long with the ballies in. Like this is so fucking cute. I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all what I've been doing so far. I have been sectioning off like the little bubbles first before I do the ballies. I don't know what I was on just then. I just put one little. It's just to place a marker of where the ballie is gonna go. This isn't taking nearly as long as I thought it was gonna take, so that's nice. 3 bubbles on each one, and then at the bottom I just close it off and make these ones this one tighter than all of the other ones. And then now that I have my little bubble section off, I can do the ballies. I think I'm gonna have to take the ballies from like the middle and the back too, so I can use them for the front, because I just think a sacrifice gotta be made. Because I'm not going to the hair store. I brought 5 packs, and I really thought with my whole heart that was enough. I'm just gonna wrap the ballies around the little bubble space, and I'm gonna wrap them around twice. Don't let me have a little girl, y'all, because y'all already know my little girl's hair gonna be so laid all the time. My daughter gonna hate getting her hair done. She's like, Mom, like you just did my hair like a day ago. Leave me alone. And I'll be like, bitch, sit your ass down. I'm about to do your hair. Calling my child a bitch. I'm not gonna talk to my kid like that. Maybe. Then the bottom one, I'll wrap it around like 3 times. And then that's literally the style. That's it. See how boring that was? Now imagine I made y'all watch me do the whole back of my head. That would just been rude, wouldn't it? I got these clear ballies that I'm going to add on top of the front ones. And I have one more gold ballie, and I'm going to put that on the middle one. Can this get undone? Like, what? I just finished. Don't it look so fucking cute? I feel like I look cute. Like, cute. I need, well, I guess I don't got to worry about the ballies that aren't really shown right now because it don't really matter. And I think the clear one actually did look really nice, like as a nice little touch. Here's the whole shit, you know, what everything's looking like. I am finna do these baby hairs on the side real quick. I lose my scissors just that fast. Like I just had the scissors. Okay, I'm almost done. I'm almost done. Okay, I'm gonna go put on my shirt and finish my lips and maybe touch up my makeup some, and then I'll come back with my final look. So here is the final look. I ended up actually cutting the ends and making them blunt. I planned initially to do a little perm roller on the end and make it curly, but then I decided I just didn't feel like doing that no more. And that was my excuse, so I didn't. But if you wanted to make this like more not wearable, because I still think it looks perfectly fine with like the blunt ends, but probably, yeah, a nice little curl on the end would really set this off. But I'm not doing that. So here's the final look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I don't know what the hell gonna be this thumbnail because I went outside and it was so cloudy. It was like they never even gave me a chance to do what I had to do. I really didn't know if I was gonna be on time today, but I did my part, so I'm not mad. Usually I'd be like really frustrated that I didn't get a picture, but like, I don't know, I just don't think I need to be upset about it, so I'm not going to be. This shirt is literally just a scarf, and it's tight, and I'm about to take it off. And yeah, I really think that's all I gotta say. I really did love this hair. The frontal, as you can see, is super fucking laid. Looks so good. I can't wait to put it in another style. Of course, I'm not going to keep this in for too long. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, beautiful.